Hello guys, today let's see an arrangement set. So there are four male students, Karan, Arjun, Ankit, Shivesh, and four female students, Shweta, Priya, Cecil, Shilpa. Each of them studies in one of the three institutes called X, Y, and Z. Each student majors in one subject, marketing, operations, and finance, okay, and minors in a different one among these three subjects. The following facts are known about the eight students. Three students are from X, three are from Y, and the remaining two students, both female, are from Z. Okay, so first let me draw the table. Okay, so three are from X, three are from Y, and the two, both female, are from Z. Okay, so two, both female, and remaining three people, and three here. Both the male students from Y minor in finance. Okay, so this is major, this is minor. So this is for male, again major, minor. This is again for male, as there are three total, there are three students, so I am writing this for three times: major, minor. Okay, so both the male students from Y. Okay, so out of three there are two males, so let me call these two are males. Both the male minor in finance, so this is finance and this is finance, while the female student from Y majors in operation. Female is this one and majors in operation. Okay, only one male student majors in operation while three female students minor in marketing. Okay, so as of now I don't have any direct information for this. I will come on this point later on. One female and two male students major in finance, one female and two uh, male. Okay, I will also come to this point later on. Shweta and Shivesh are from the same institute. Shilpa and Karan are from the same institute. Okay, so these two pairs can't come in Z because Z has only two females. So either of them, one of them is in Y and one of them is in X. Okay, Arjun is from Y and majors in operation. So Arjun is from Y and majors in operation. So let's say this is Arjun. So this is Arjun. Arjun is from Y and majors in operations. So this is operations. Ankit is from X and majors in finance. So major, minor, and major in finance. And this is Ankit. This is Arjun. This is Ankit. Shilpa minors in operations. Okay, so again, just like in Y, there must be two male here and one female here. Major and minor. Major, minor. So Shilpa minors in operation, Arjun is from Y and majors in operation, and Ankit is from X and majors in finance. Okay, so now the thing is, let me read the fifth point. Shweta and Shivesh are from the same institute. Shilpa and Karan are from the same institute, and Shilpa minors in operation. Okay, so Shilpa can't be this female because this female is already doing majors in operations. So Shilpa can't be this female, and Shilpa can't come in Z. Why? Because Shilpa is with Karan. So Shilpa must be this female. So Shilpa minors in operation. This is operation and this is Shilpa. If this is Shilpa, then this male must be Karan because this male was Ankit. So this is Ankit, this is Karan, and this is Shilpa. Okay, and the remaining pair must come here, Shweta and Shivesh. This is Shweta and this is Shivesh, and this is Shivesh. This is Arjun, this is Shivesh, this is Shweta, and the remaining two female will come here. Major, minor, major, minor. The remaining two female are Priya and Cecil. So let me write P for Priya and C for Cecil. Okay. So one female, let me read the fourth point. One female and two male students major in finance. One female and two male students. Okay. So two male are doing major in finance. So Shivesh can't do major in finance because he is already doing finance as his minors. So those two male would be Ankit and Karan. So this is again finance. And one female is also doing majors in finance. So as of now I can't determine that female. So let me read the third point. Only one male student majors in operation. Majors in operation. Okay, so the one male student who can do majors in operation is Shivesh. While three female students minor in marketing. Three are minor in marketing. So Shilpa is doing already operations as her minors. So remaining will be doing in marketing. Marketing. Okay, if one female and two male, if we again look at the point 4, one female and two male students major in finance. So one female is doing major in finance. One female is doing major in finance. So that female can be Priya, that female can be Cecil, or it can be Shilpa. So I can't determine right now. So let's look at the questions. So first question is, who are the students from the Institute Z? So Institute Z from Priya and Cecil. That is option B. That is option B. Which subject does Ankit minor in? So Ankit is in college X, and Ankit minors in either in marketing or in operation. I can't determine. So the option would be cannot be determined. D option. Karan majors in which of the following subjects? So Karan is this and majors in finance. So option A. Which of the following subjects does Priya major in if Cecil majors in finance? Okay, so which of the following does Priya major in if Cecil majors in finance? Okay, so if Cecil majors in finance, let me write here finance. Which of the following subject does Priya major in? Okay, so Priya either can major in finance or operation, because she can't do majors in marketing as she is already doing marketing as her minors. But if we read the point 4, it said only one female can do majors in finance, and that one female in Cecil as per this question. So Priya can't do major in finance, so the answer must be operations. So Priya must be doing operations as her majors, so the answer would be option C. Okay, so if we now talk about the selection of this particular arrangement set in the exam scenario, so according to me this set has to be selected, and this set can be done in 10 to 11 minutes, not more than that. That's the ideal time for this set. And if we see one thing, there is a cannot be determined in the options. So what we can infer from this is that there might be a possibility where we can't determine all the values uniquely. So that's something that needs to be taken care of. However, this set didn't pose a lot of problems while solving, and the cases that we can make in this set is like Ankit can do minors in marketing or operations, Shilpa can do majors in marketing or finance. So all the values are not uniquely determined, and that's why the cannot be determined option is present. So this is something we need to realize while when we are selecting the sets in the exam. So this is one possibility that we need to keep in mind. So thank you for today's set. I will keep coming up with more sets which give some good learning, or from where we can draw some meaningful inference from the set. So see you guys in the next set. Thank you.